New York, New York. Here we go. It's about 5:45 p.m. on a Tuesday. Currently, coming to Las Vegas on a Tuesday is not the best idea because it really gets going on the weekends. All right, so Las Vegas, located in Nevada, in the middle of the desert. It is hot here in the summer. It's right next to Death Valley, the Mojave Desert. In fact, in the winter, it gets really cold here, like below 32 degrees. And in the summer, it gets really hot. It's like a moonscape. Anyway, we're in front of New York, New York. You can see. Cross street from the MGM. Let's keep this walking tour going. There's the Hard Rock. Alright, so now we are out front of the Araya. You see there's Gucci, Dolce & Gabbana. Behind that's Planet Hollywood, Hilton Grand. Look at this area here. Waldorf Astoria. This area here is actually built within the last 5 to 10 years, so it's fairly new, the Araya. Yeah, so here we are inside the Araya. You can see these lit up trees. Smells really good in here. If you're into designer fashion, this is where you'll go. You guys can hear that wind. Very windy down here. Nighttime on the Vegas Strip. Look at that. Just past sunset. Going past the Araya here. You can see MGM Grand and New York over there. And way off in the distance there is Paris. So we're going to be making a video, more than likely, about the top hotels here in Vegas right now. You guys can stick around and watch that by subscribing to this channel, or I'll just tell you what the top 3 are based on popular opinion. Basically Araya, the Wynn, and probably the Cosmopolitan. So do with that what you want, but we're going to show more. I'm not going to tell you the others. So I figured I'd at least give you guys that for watching this video and hitting the like button for us. That always helps. Let's keep this tour moving. Yeah, so here we are up top, walking across. You can see the Araya Marquee Nightclub and Day Club, the rooftop, and we're arriving at the Cosmopolitan. Across the street you have the Planet Hollywood. Now we're going inside the Cosmopolitan. This area we're walking around here is known as the Link, with a Q at the end. Back out onto the strip now. Going by the Bellagio. Yes, Bellagio is definitely one of the top hotels. So is the Venetian. But we're going to show you guys around more of these. Vegas resorts. Caesar's Palace over there, right next to the Bellagio. People have been asking me and asking other people if it's safe here in Vegas. And yes, it is. There's the Miracle Mile shops. Might seem a little intimidating at first. But what big city doesn't intimidate? Oh, we got some cops. Some police. If this is your first time to Island Hopper TV, you guys can subscribe. Keep up with us on all of our videos. We go around the world. Show you guys around. Done Florida, California, Mexico recently. Check out those videos on our homepage. Look at Paris, glowing in the dark. Eiffel Tower, glowing in the dark. Valleys. They're gonna do a water show here soon. Hopefully. I really want to give you guys this look at the strip here. And then we'll even show you guys over the Caesar Palace, the Bellagio. And then you can see right there is the Cosmopolitan. They actually have a skyscraper right there. So, pretty good. Now we'll just keep pushing down south, or north here, I should say. You can see the big bus, Las Vegas. Across the street is Bally's. All right, now we're gonna go inside the Bellagio here. And here you go at the Bellagio, you can see these dancing fountains. All right, we just crossed the street here from the Bellagio to the Caesar's Palace here. Showing you guys around from up above here. Off the road, but Vegas has a lot of those skywalks there, and they just go all across, zigzagging. You might even cross here after the Caesar's Palace. We really want to show you guys what that good old Caesar's Palace has to offer. There's the Flamingo. It's a real original Vegas masterpiece. Caesar's Palace is still considered one of the top hotels in all of Vegas, even as it's aged. I mean, the location of Caesar's Palace is second to none. We've got a new hotel nearby called Nobu Nobu Caesar's Palace. The hotel. We got Omnia and then the Mirage, which we'll be heading towards next. And if you guys like Gordon Ramsay, there's Gordon Ramsay's restaurant, kitchen. So we've got Terrazza by Cafe Americano just outside Caesar's Palace here. And actually the main entrance to Caesar's Palace is right over here. Kind of reminds me of Rome right here. Statues. Oh my gosh, strong whiffs of cannabis all over Vegas. Hope you guys enjoy that smell. Could be worse, you could be smelling sage. Like I smelled all over Tulum. Let's head over to the Mirage to check out the fire show. Alright, now we're gonna cross here from Caesar's Palace across the road towards the Cromwell. See the valleys there. But we're gonna go in the direction of Flamingo. Alright. Busy. All right, so now we are here at the Flamingo. This is a really old hotel. I mean, it's been here for a while. One of the originals. Sometimes it's nice to come to an old hotel like this and just do some sports betting or watch some football, basketball, baseball, do whatever you like. Won't be as busy as some of the main sports books, Bugsy and Myers Steakhouse. So yeah, we're on the other side of the road now. We're going to show you guys the Venetian coming up and then go over towards the Wynn. Here we go, right by Jimmy Buffett's Margaritaville right here. Margaritaville. Jimmy Buffett's. What do we got going on over here? We got souvenir shops, martini bars, restaurants, burritos, sushi burrito. What the heck? There's the old Ferris wheel there. You got a great view from up there. Like I said, this area is called The Link. I have not been to this area yet. All right. We're leaving the link and coming up to Mirage. Mirage. Oh, damn. Those guys. And there you go, there's the Mirage. As you guys know, they do a volcano show, which is absolutely amazing. Just check the hours on that when you get here. And we're outside at Casino Royale at the Best Western Plus, headed towards the Venetian now. Across the street you can see there's Treasure Island. Again, we're just heading north from New York. New York? Treasure Island used to do a pirate show. I don't think they're doing that anymore, though. Here's Fat Tuesday. All right, entering the Venetian here. Got Madame Tussauds, Las Vegas. And the canal shops. Wow. Quite the place. It is a little late. I wonder why it's not as lit up as it usually is. I mean, it's only 9 something. Shouldn't be too quiet like this. Not that late. Going into the Grand Canal shops. Oh, excuse me. What do we got going on there? Since I know the shops are closed, we'll go down here. Because it is late. It's like a masterpiece in here. Some serious craftsmanship went into building this place. And that's going to conclude this episode from Las Vegas Strip, walking around at night. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and do watch some of our other videos from Las Vegas. We'll see you guys on the next one.